Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of vegetables and exploring four essential classes that are packed with nutrients. Let's get started. First up, we have dark green vegetables. These veggies are rich in vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Some great examples include broccoli, kale, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. Adding these to your diet can help keep your bones strong and support your overall health. Next, we have red and orange vegetables. These are high in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting your immune system, and promoting skin health. Examples include carrots, red bell peppers, and pumpkins. Incorporating these colorful veggies into your meals can help protect your eyesight and boost your immune system. Moving on, we have beans, peas, and lentils. These are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and lowers the risk of heart disease. Examples include black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and split peas. Eating these legumes can improve your digestive health and keep you feeling full longer. Lastly, we have starchy vegetables. These are high in potassium, which is vital for regulating blood pressure, balancing fluids, and supporting muscle and nerve function. Examples include potatoes, corn, sweet potatoes, and yams. Including these in your diet can help maintain a healthy heart and proper muscle function. So there you have it. Four essential classes of vegetables and their amazing benefits. Make sure to include a variety of these in your diet to reap all the health benefits they offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.